Hey guys, how you doing? This is Asamo. Hey, I just want to show you what's happening down in Louisiana right now. There's looks like a possible hurricane that's developing there. As you can see in this chart here, there's live radar. There's a lot of stormy thing, but you see how it's kind of like circling, and it's kind of going like a circle kind of thing, and it's really developing there with heavy rains and so forth. So. Looks like something's going on, especially with the moisture and the warm air that's happening there. So, just to let you know, right now in Louisiana, they're having those heavy rains right now. And if you look at the storm that they're having pretty hardcore stuff. So, just to let you know, keep you posted on that. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.